Dear students, today we are going to study the continuity and divisibility. First of all, myself, Lakshmikant Rana, as of your mathematics teacher. So, today we are going to study the continuity and differentiability. Continuity and differentiability. Now, what is the meaning of continuity? Continuity means, what is the meaning of continuity? Continuity means the process will be continuous. The process will be continuous, or the graph will be drawn without breaking the graphs. That means there is a graph like this. This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. Let me be a graph drawn like as y equal to f of x with the functions, and f of x will be our y equal to x. Then the graph will be drawn like as we can taking in tables, that is x, that is y. If we can choose the values of x, that is 1, then we can find the values of y, that is also 1. If x equal to 2, also y equal to 2. If x equal to taking 3, y is also 3. If x 4, y 4, x 5, y 5. देखो हमें कौन डाले all x are taking in positive real numbers. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we can choose x equal to 0, y equal to 0, x equal to minus 1, y equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 2, y equal to minus 2. Then what happens in our graphs? Like the graph will be drawn like this. This is the graph of y equal to f of x. That is f of x is our x. There is a graph y equal to x, and the graph will be not breaking, not jumping. So the graph is known as continuous. If there is a breaking in a graph or jumping, then the graph is known as discontinuous. There is a example of a graph the continuous केमती कहबा जेमती तमे गोटे मार्केट को जाउछ त मार्केट को जिबाटा तुम प्रोसेसिंग तो प्रोसेसिंग ता कंटीन्यूअस चलछि मार्केट जिबाटा सो दैट इज द प्रोसेसिंग कोन ना कंटीन्यूअस प्रोसेस कंटीन्यूअस मीन द ग्राफ विल बी ड्रॉन कोन कहछि द ग्राफ विल बी ड्रॉन without lifting of the pen. Simply like the graph will be drawn. There is a graph and it will be drawn without lifting of the pens. That means the graph will be drawn without jumping, without breakings. That means the process will be, that graph will be continuous. That means that is the graph will be continuous. The simply language the graph will be drawn without lifting of the pens. Without lifting of the pen, that is the graph will be continuous. Similarly, I would example number. Example like this. Y the functions. We can take y the function. Also letting as f of x. F of x, that means y the function of x. So that we can write down the condition f of x equal to 1 if x less than equal to 0. That is called f of x. The values of f of x equal to 1 if x less than equal to 0, and f of x equal to 2 if x greater than 0. Now what is the graph of these functions? What is the graph of this function? We can now check out or draw the graph and find out the function is continuous or discontinuous. So that we can draw this graph. There is a conditions. What type of condition? Now f of x always gives 1. The result of f of x is 1 if condition is x less than equal to 0. That is, this is the x-axis, x dash, and y dash. So that this is the origin 0 0. This is 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. This is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 2. Graph answer minus 2 minus 3 minus 1. देखो now we can plotting this graph in graphs. कौन देखिए the given function f of x is always 1 if x less than equal to 0. There is a condition x, this is the x-axis, yes or not? This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. There is a condition x is less than equal to 0. That is, this is here, x less than 0. There is a graph of like this. This is a graph. Conclusion, f of x always gives 1. This is 1. Yes or not? This is y, values of y. This condition for y is equal to 1 if x less than or equal to 0. And another condition is f of x is 2. F of x is 2 if x greater than 0. X greater than 0. That is the greater than 0. Yes or not? The value will be 2. Always gives 2. This is the there is jumping in graph is drawn like this. This is a graph of f of x equal to 1 if x less than equal to 0 and f of x equal to 2 if x greater than 0. Then this is the graph of these functions, and we can see this graph. There is a jumping like this positions. Like this position. But before example say, there is a graph, there is no jumping, there is no breakdown. So this graph is known as continuous. This is a graph of y equal to x. Yes or not? Before now y equal to x, there is a graph, and this graph is not jumping, not breakdowns. There is no breakdowns. But in these functions, there is a breakdown in this position. Function will be gives 1 if x less than equal to 0, and function will be gives 2 if x greater than 0. So that there is a breakdown of this position. So the graph is known as discontinuous. So the graph is discontinuous. This is the difference between continuous function and discontinuous function. So that if there is a breakdown or there is a jumping of the graph, this function is known as discontinuous. If the graph is continuing a continuous process or lifting of the plane, or there is no jumping, there is no breakdown, this graph is known as continuous. So that now we can check how to check this graph and how to check the function is continuous or discontinuous. So that there is some rules checking the continuous functions. So that now we can study that how to check the function is continuous or discontinuous for this following conditions. What is the condition? A given function f of x is said to be a continuous at a given point A. There is a certain points. There is some points like f the points if satisfy the following condition. What is the condition? The functional value. The functional value will be exist at a point. That is, f of a exists. The given function, the functional value will be exist. The functional value exist means at that point, it is a point, the functional value will be exist. There is some points, so there is some results will be exist. It is f of a exist. And the second condition will be the limiting value will be also exist. The limiting value will be exist. And what is the meaning of limiting value exist? हमको पढ़ा देखला before classes रे. Limiting value exist means there is a left hand limits and right hand limit will be exist. That is, limit x tends to a minus f of x. F of x is equal to limit x tends to a plus f of x. बुझेला कौन कौन कंडीशन कहूची? The limit x tends to a minus कौन टेंशन नहीं? अच्छा, f of x is equal to limit x tends to a plus f of x. If this is exist, then the limiting value will be exist. And third condition will be most important. The condition will be the functional value must be equal to limiting value. What do you say? No, limiting. The given function f of x is said to be a continuous at a given point a, that is, if satisfy the following condition. What is satisfy karibo? Tinta condition. What is the three conditions? What are the three conditions? The functional value will be exist. The first condition is the functional value will be exist at a given point. That is, f of a is exist. And second condition is our the limiting value is exist. And limiting value exist means left hand limit and right hand limit is equal. That is, also you can write down LHL, left hand limit it must be equal to RHL. बुझेला? Limiting value exist means there is a result and the result must be equal left hand limit equal to right hand limit. And the third condition will be most important, the functional value must be equal to limiting value. Then the function is continuous, otherwise discontinuous. Now we can check out how to find out the limiting value. Now we can check the function. The given function will be continuous or discontinuous. Check the continuity of the function. The function में continuity check करिवा. कौन करिवा check करिवा? Continuity of the functions. बुझला? So there is a given function f of x is equal to s square minus s square by x minus a if x not equal to a. And f of x equal to a, मने रखो किंतु पढ़िबो. F of x equal to s square minus s square by x minus a if x not equal to a. F of x equal to a if x equal to a, and we can check out at x equal to a the function is continuous or discontinuous. बुझेला? We can check करिबा at x equal to a, at that point the given point is x equal to a, and that point x equal to a the function is continuous or discontinuous. Step 1, find the functional value. Yes or not? First condition to like functional value can find out करिबा. बुझेला कि नहीं? And functional value will be given f of x equal to a at x equal to a, so that f of a is equal to a, and so that there is a f of x is exist. बुझेला? F of x is exist and f of a equal to a. This is the functional value. And functional value माने बुझी पाछो नहीं. At that point f of a रे functional value केते अछि हमर functional value केते अछि? If x equal to a, at a point x equal to a, at x equal to a अछि नहीं, देखो ए point रे we can check the function is continuous or discontinuous at x equal to a. That means at x equal to a the function give the value is a. The value is a, so that f of a is a and f of a is exist. Yes or no? This is the first condition. And second condition from find out the limiting value. अच्छा, second condition पूछ. Now we can find out the limiting value. And limiting value find out करिवा, that means we can find out the left hand limit and right hand limit. So that first of all we can find the LHL, left hand limit. And how to find left hand limit? देखो condition कौन थिला? Limiting value. Now limit x tends to a, f of x is equal to L. That is, L is what? L is the limiting point. Limit x tends to a. That means whenever x approaches to a, the functional value gives the limiting point is L. That means the limiting this value will be exist if LHL is equal to RHL. And how to find the functional left hand limit and the right hand limit? LHL means limit x tends to a minus f of x, and RHL means limit x tends to a plus f of x. देखो most important conditions. Limit x tends to a minus f of x. That means x approaches to a, x nearest to a, but x, the meaning of x minus that is देखो x is approaches to a, x is not equal to a, x is smaller than a. X tends, limit x tends to a minus f of x. That means there is a x is approaches to a, x from approaches means कौन? पाखा पाखी nearest to a, x is not equal to a, x ताके भाई a नुआ smaller than a, and x is smaller than a, and that then we can choose x equal to a minus h. Let x equal to a minus h and h tends to 0, but h approaches to 0. Then using the values of x, that is x equal to a minus h and h tends to 0. Now our limiting is limit h tends to 0. In the place of x, we can write in the f of a minus h. बुझला? h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0, f of a minus h. This is the meaning of left hand limits. Similarly, we can find out the right hand limit. X approaches to a plus f of x. X approaches to a plus f of x. That means x is not equal to a. X is not equal to a. लिखो सुनिए. And x is approaches to a, and x is greater than a. बुझला? A plus किन कौन? A थार टिके बड़ो. So that let we can choose x equal to a plus h and h tends to 0. Now using these values x equal to a plus h in limiting value, limit h tends to 0, f of a plus h. That means if limit h tends to 0, f of a minus h is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of a plus h is equal, then our limiting value is exist. Then our limiting value is exist. So that we can find out the left hand limit first of all. And left hand limit means in these functions, limit x tends to a minus the given point of x equal to a. So the limit x tends to a minus f of x. Yes or not? अच्छा. So what is the meaning of कहली? कौन कहली? Now x approaches to a minus. That means x is approaches to a, x is not equal to a, x is smaller than a. And what is the condition? Write down in these functions. X tends to a minus, that means here is x not equal to a. अच्छी नहीं तीनटा कंडीशन को कंडीशन हमर एठी अछि अछि कोन x approaches to a अछि कि नहीं, x not equal to a अछि कि हां अछि, x is smaller than a अछि कि नहीं. So that गोटे कंडीशन अछि हमर कोन अछि ना x is not equal to a. So that the function is, you can choose s square minus s square by x minus a. So that we can write down limit x tends to a minus f of x, that is s square minus s square by x minus a. बुझला. Now we can factorize these functions like as देखो एटी s square minus s square by x minus a. एटा कोन अछि हमर फंक्शन अछि, गिवन फंक्शन, and in the numerator part अछि केते ना s square minus s square. Now we can factorize these functions like as x plus a and x minus a, due to we can know the a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. So that this factor will be x plus a and x minus a divided by, in denominator part is x minus a. So that x minus a and x minus a will be cancelled. So that our new function will be x minus a. So that we can write down in this place limit x tends to a minus x plus a. And now we can choose, let x equal to a minus h whenever h tends to 0. Yes or not? Procedure set coil left and limit ro. So that now in replacing this limit h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0, in place of x we can write down the a minus h. So that a minus h plus a. बुझला. Now this function will be not indeterminate forms, so the not indeterminate form, so that we can directly using h equal to 0 in the place of minus h, so that the function value will be given a plus a, that is 2a. बुझला. So that our left hand limit is 2a. Here f of a is a and left hand limiting point of view is 2a. Is it equal? No, this is not equal. So this function is discontinuous. So the function is discontinuous. Okay, now the function is discontinuous due to LHL is not equal to f of a. Also, you can find out the right hand limit. RHL. RHL means limit x tends to a plus f of x, and f of x, that means x tends to a plus means x not equal to a. That means we can write down the limit functional value will be limit x tends to a plus f of x, that is s square minus s square by x minus a. Also, you can write down this function value. You can write down x plus a. And let we can choose x equal to a plus h whenever h approaches to 0. So that now in the place of x we can putting this a plus h, that equal to limit h tends to 0 a plus h plus a. Yes or not? This function not gives the indeterminate forms, so that now we can directly using h equal to 0. So the limit h tends to 0 a 2a plus h, and using h plus 0 the RHL sides also give that 2a. So that lastly we can find out left hand limit and right hand limit will be exist, and limit will be exist, but this limiting values not equal to functional values. So that the function will be discontinuous. LHL equal to RHL but not equal to f of a, so that the function is discontinuous. बुझला. Next class में पढ़िबा how to check continuity and discontinuity, then you can know the differentiability of a functions.